everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, it feels amazing to finally get to say that again. It's been over a year since I last filmed video for this channel, and honestly I've missed this community so much. I've missed creating content on here, but guess what, I'm officially back and I'm excited. For those joining me for the first time, welcome. My name is Ekeh, and on this channel we focus entirely on helping you grow your data and tech skills. If you're just starting out or you're looking to advance your existing career, this channel is definitely for you. Now to the big question, where I have been. A lot has happened in the time I was away. And for those of you who follow me on social media, you will know I've been pouring my heart into a special project called Empower Her, Empower the Future. Sometime last year, I felt a strong pull to give back to the community where I grew up. I saw so many talented young girls whose dreams were fading simply because they lacked the opportunity or resources to fuel them. And I was determined to change that. Beginning of this year in March, we had a workshop, and so far we've reached over 200 secondary school girls through workshop on career exploration, digital literacy, mentorship, and personal development. The journey is still ongoing. We currently have 30 girls enrolled in our 12-month training and mentoring program, and we've provided laptops and internet support for each of the girls to ensure their success. It's truly been one of the most impactful and rewarding seasons of my life. While I was pouring my energy into that, I was still trying to juggle this channel too, and to be honest, I hit a wall. I burned out really quick and ultimately led to my break. Now that we are back, what do you expect? So I'm not just coming back, I'm back and I'm rebranded. As you can see, we have a new setup, and most importantly, we have a clearer focus for this channel. I will share fresh, beginner-friendly content on data analysis, Python, data science, fundamental concepts, and practical workflows. We are going to break down complex topics into simple, clear ways to help you learn, grow, and immediately apply these skills to your own project and career. Now, to celebrate this comeback, I want to hear from you. I need your input on two things. First, what topic and tutorials would you love to see me cover first in this channel? So drop your ideas in the comment section. And secondly, I'm doing a giveaway. So enter, all you have to do is to comment below why you subscribe to my channel in the first place and which of my past videos has impacted you the most. I will be selecting my winners directly from the YouTube comment, so make sure you get over to YouTube to enter. So if you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or somewhere else, make sure you head over to YouTube. And of course, you must be subscribed to the channel to win. So tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend that Promise is back. And if you're new here, you're welcome again. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the amazing content that we have coming up for you. I'm so excited to start this new chapter with all of you. See you on the next video. Morning, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to Empower Her, Empower the Future Workshop 1.0. Today, we are gathered here for a purpose far greater than just an event. We are here to inspire, to educate, and to empower young girls in the city of Warri. Now, more than ever, it is clear that a fundamental mindset shift needs to happen. People need to see a rise in tomorrow's female leaders.